Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing away at stubborn dirt and grime, only to be left with lackluster results? Look no further. You are on the solution. Whether it's reviving your weathered deck, restoring the shine to your car, or rejuvenating your patio furniture, these power-packed machines are designed to deliver optimal cleaning performance. From their robust motors to their adjustable water pressure settings, electric pressure washers offer a convenient and efficient way to tackle all of your outdoor cleaning tasks. In this video, I have mentioned the 5 best electric pressure washers that may fulfill your need. So, watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer. The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer is a powerhouse that generates an astounding 3,800 psi of water pressure and 2.4 GPM of water flow. With this kind of force, even the most stubborn grime doesn't stand a chance. The NCOR pump is not only durable, but also maintenance-free, ensuring consistent and reliable performance over time. And if you're concerned about using chemicals, worry no more. The Snow Foam Lance feature lets you apply foam directly, prolonging the pump's life and ensuring more efficient cleaning. With a range of 4 universal tips, you can tailor the pressure for various surfaces, from high pressure for dissolving stubborn substances on hard surfaces to low pressure for windows and screens. Assembling this cleaning wonder is a breeze, making your cleaning sessions quick and hassle-free. Number 2 is Suyncll SP X3000 Electric High Pressure Washer. When versatility meets power, you get the Suyncll SP X3000 Electric High Pressure Washer. Its 14.5 amp motor generates an impressive punch, ready to take on a wide array of cleaning tasks. Homes, buildings, RVs, cars, decks, driveways, you name it, and this pressure washer can handle it. The 2 onboard detergent tanks add a level of convenience by allowing you to switch between different cleaning solutions on the fly. What sets this machine apart is its Total Stop System (TSSA) smart feature that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is disengaged. This not only saves energy, but also extends the pump's lifespan. Safety and functionality combined in one powerful package. Number 3 is Stanley Electric Pressure Washer. Meet the Stanley Electric Pressure Washer, a perfect fusion of convenience and performance. Boasting a max PSI of 2050 and 1.4 GPM, it's designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges. The detachable metal cart is not just a convenience, it's a game changer. Equipped with 2 quick-release latches, it provides easy portability and storage. The professional M22 Connect trigger gun, along with a 25-foot high-pressure hose and quick connect nozzles, gives you complete control over your cleaning tasks. With a steel wand featuring a brass quick connect and a 35-foot power cord with a GSCI plug, this pressure washer delivers both durability and safety. As if that's not enough, it comes with a variety of quick connect nozzles to tailor your cleaning approach, ensuring you have the perfect tool for every job. Number 4 is POOLEGETIC Electric High Pressure Washer. Its powerful 1600W motor generates up to 2000 psi and a water flow rate of 2.4 GPM, making light work of even the most stubborn stains, rust, and oil marks. This cleaning marvel comes with 4 quick connect nozzles, offering you a versatile solution for various cleaning scenarios. Whether it's the 0-degree nozzle for intense cleaning or the 40-degree nozzle for delicate surfaces, you're covered. And let's not forget the thoughtful inclusion of a chenille mitt, perfect for achieving a streak-free shine on your car. Safety is paramount with the automatic complete stop system, TSSE, which shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged, saving energy and ensuring a longer pump life. The leak-proof plug and safety lock design take things a step further, assuring you of a safe and efficient cleaning experience. The 20-foot pressure hose and 16 5-foot power cord provide ample reach, while the bigger and stronger wheels make it easy to move and store this powerhouse. Number 5 is Suyncll Pressure Washer. With its robust 1800W motor, it delivers maximum psi at 2.2 pm, providing a superior cleaning performance that you can rely on. This versatile machine comes with a 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, granting you the flexibility to tackle large areas with ease. The upgraded leak-proof connections, featuring a professional metal garden hose, double leak-proof connector, and metal water outlet, ensure that water leakage becomes a thing of the past. The automatic total stop system, TSS, enhances both safety and energy efficiency by automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger is disengaged. The unique plug and spray gun design offers convenience, and the GFCI plug ensures you can operate the machine without any safety concerns. With 4 quick connect spray tips and a soap nozzle, you can seamlessly switch between light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, leaving every surface gleaming.